how to color grade your video using Capcut Pro. Even if you are not using Capcut Pro, there are some free features on Capcut you can use to color grade your video to come out very well. Most videos I make, they are not that sharp, yes, but I use Capcut app to enhance those videos, to make it pop. Like when you are seeing it, you will want to watch the video. Just relax, take cold water. I will teach you how to use Capcut to color grade your video. You might be seeing a lot of creators, their videos. See, those videos, you don't know how they did that video. After showing you how to color grade your video, you are going to thank me in the comment section. So let's go. Let me show you how to color grade your video using Capcut. Whether you are using Capcut Pro or free Capcut, you can color grade your video effectively well using following these steps I'm going to teach you right now.
This is how to color grade your video using Capcut. Now, this video is already imported into my Capcut. Is okay, because I wanted to edit it before. So all I have to do, guys, is to come. You can see the color of this video is not that sharp, the way it's supposed to be popping. All right. So what I do now is I first of all pause the video because I want to use it for this tutorial. Now you first of all highlight the video. Please, I always advise that before you start this process of color grading, do not split the videos yet. If possible, do not cut out the mistakes and everything so that you will not cut it. And when you are editing, it will be difficult for you. Let's assume that I came here now and I split this video now. When I want to edit now, that means I will highlight the first one, color grade it. After that, I will still come back to the other one, which is very stressful. I consider it as a very stressful work. So what you do is, first of all, once you import it here, just go straight to the point and do what? Color grade. After that, you can start the other whatever editing you want. All right, let's hit the adjust button. So first of all, what you do is click on color correction. This color correction is a pro version, but you can actually color grade even if you are not using the pro version of Capcut, if you did not subscribe to their pro version. So please, you drag it down so it's not be too much. You see the way it is, so I don't really like it like that. So come to brightness. This thing and the sharpen is my main thing with saturation. Why is it? Okay, you can see it's white. So you bring it down, drag it till you get what you want. Then you come to sharpen. You increase it to the end. This one itself is just to make the video pop like this. So if you've done this, come to saturation. Here you have to do small work to give it that color you want. Let me play it and see. All right, you can see we are getting there. We are not done. We are not done. So calm down. Don't be in a hurry. Come to clarity. It's even free. Clarity is free. Make it more clear. All right, just small. Me, I don't put too much. Please reduce the temperature. Reduce temperature is very important. See shadow, touch it just a little to 6%. Then come to temperature. It's very important. Please do not forget this temperature. Do not forget it. You can see that. You can see how beautiful it is. Guys, see, this is the easiest way I know. Come to HSL. Come to just little touch. You know, we are learning to be a pro in this editing thing, so we are just trying our best. Lightness, you can increase it more and play it. Oh, it not give us what we want. We will still do more. We'll still add brightness. I want it to be bright. Oh, it's white. No, reduce it a bit. All right. This is it. Okay, let me see. If you check, you see that this video, this very one now, is not the same with no brightness. I want this brightness to increase a bit. It's white. Okay. All right. 27 is good. Ah, guys, you've seen it, right? You've seen what I did in this video. Okay, let's play it and see if it will give us what we want. If you don't like the color you are seeing, you can still change it and do more touching. You can see? Right. You see the video now after color grading. Can you see my video after color grading? If you feel like this color is not what you want, still follow the same process till you get exactly what you want, guys. All right. Well, I paused the video because this is actually what video I want to use for this tutorial, not that I wanted to play. So that's why it's you are not hearing what I'm saying there. All right. If you watched to this instant, God bless you. See you in my next video. You know I love you, right? Definitely you know I love you. Thank you. And these days I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorial on how to edit. So if you know you enjoyed watching this video, click on the subscribe button so that you will come back and watch more of my videos. Love you. Tala.